Hi guys, I'll give you a tour of our room here at Meridien at the Maldives. It's a water villa. It's room or villa 212. Come check it out. It's really a nice villa. You have the fridge there, and then they gave us a bottle of champagne when we arrived, and that's the bed. It's really comfy, and that's the closet there. The bathroom is on that side, and then the vanities there, and it's really cool that look at that, you can take the shower with a view of the ocean, and also you can use the bathtub while enjoying the view of the Indian Ocean or the sunset, because this is the sunset view. And yeah, let's check out the balcony. It's really nice. Whoa, tropical weather. Nice. Look at the view, it's really nice. You can watch the sunset there. As I've said, this is a sunset villa view. You can just, relax and then wait for the sunset on that side. It's really nice that you have some privacy there. So even if you're on your bathing suits, or nobody can see you here on this side. Also, I've seen some pictures that they usually would use that one, and you can, put your, some blankets there, and you can relax. It's really very sturdy. See, it's very sturdy, and it's nice. It's so relaxing. Like, you can stay there and then watch the sunset. There's also a little corner here where you can, have your coffee, and actually you can dive here. It's just that there are times when the current is so strong, so they wouldn't recommend it if, especially if it's high tide. But right now it's low tide, and the current is not that much, but the view is really nice. I'll do it all over again just for that view. It's really nice. We flew from San Francisco to here. I think 15 hours, if I'm not mistaken. 15 hours and 40 minutes from San Francisco SFO to Dubai International Airport. And then I have to stay there for a 7-hour layover. And then after that, I have to fly to Male. Um, from Dubai to Male is another 4 hours. And after Male, when we arrive there, we have to take the seaplane. The seaplane is around 45 minutes. It wasn't that bad. I thought it was a little scary, but actually it was not that bad as I've said. Like, it's really cool. But that's the first time I have to fly by seaplane. And yeah, I think that's it. We just had our breakfast, and they have a very good breakfast here. So many selections of food. It's just a little bit overwhelming because there's just too much food. They have a wide selection of food that you can choose from, so it's really worth it. And I think that's it. I'll post a video about that. And I think that's it. In case you want to come here, you have an idea already on how to come here. At least the flight. But as I've said, it's worth it. And I think that's it. Bye. I'll post more videos, I promise. Take care. Bye. Oh, by the way, hit some like and then share it if if you have some friends who wants to come here. Okay, bye. Take care.